FTX assets have been frozen by the securities regulator in the Bahamas, which is where Sam Bankman-Fried's crypto exchange is based. This applies to its local trading subsidiary and related parties. Now, the regulator there says that it's aware of public statements suggesting that clients' assets were mishandled, mismanaged, and or transferred to Alameda Research, which is FTX's sister trading firm, also headed by Bankman-Fried. SBF said yesterday that he plans to close it down amid a lot of questions about the troubling ties between FTX and Alameda. Now, there's been news moving overnight around access to customer funds. FTX had halted international withdrawals due to its liquidity crunch this week, but we're seeing regional exchanges resume some service. FTX Japan said in a statement that yen withdrawals are up and running. Customers will be able to close out existing positions. It's a similar story in Turkey. And on Thursday, FTX began allowing redemptions in the Bahamas to comply with local law there. Now, FTX also got a credit facility from another crypto company, Tron, which is letting investors redeem a handful of smaller currencies on that platform. Meanwhile, the FTX U.S. website, which is separate to the global FTX exchange, says trading may be halted in a few days, but withdrawals are still available right now. So we're seeing some customers getting their money out. And all this is Sam Bankman-Fried is still looking for cash to keep it all afloat. SBF himself has warned of bankruptcy if he can't secure that capital, and sources say FTX has at least an $8 billion hole on its balance sheet, Seema.
Mackenzie, talk to us about the collateral damage. Yesterday, we saw Sequoia Capital writing down its entire value. I think it's about $213 million in FTX to zero, essentially. What else are you seeing?
So the FTX contagion is impacting venture capital funds, market makers, and startups across the sector. Overnight, BlockFi, which FTX had agreed to bail out with a $400 million credit facility just a few months ago, says that it's suspending withdrawals because of the lack of clarity around FTX's current situation. I saw a letter sent by the managing partners of Multicoin Capital, a crypto-centric VC firm, in which they say the fund has around 10% of its assets under management stranded on FTX as pending withdrawals. You've got Genesis, a trading firm for institutional investors, that said in a tweet that its derivatives business had about $175 million in locked funds in its trading account on FTX, though it said its exposure has no impact on its ability to serve clients. Now, meanwhile, the website of FTX Ventures, which is the $2 billion venture capital arm of the company, went offline. Now, I reached out to FTX, but no word back yet on what that means.
Gosh, what about the legal fallout here, Mackenzie? There have been a lot of revelations in the last few days about Bankman-Fried's business ties. We heard from SEC Gensler yesterday on Squawk Box.
Right. So, a Tether executive told CoinDesk that it's starting to receive requests from law enforcement to temporarily freeze FTX's assets. So we're talking about Tether that's held by FTX. Now, this is the Dow Jones reports that Alameda Research, which Bankman-Fried said yesterday he would be winding down, appears to have shorted Tether just yesterday, which is a dollar peg stablecoin. Now, again, this is raising questions about those close ties between Alameda and FTX. The Wall Street Journal reporting that the Securities and Exchange Commission is looking at whether there are potential securities law violations, and FTX and its CEO also facing scrutiny from the Department of Justice. Sources speaking to CNBC say they're looking at whether the company potentially misappropriated customer funds and misled investors about its relationship with Alameda. So a lot of moving parts here, Seema.